are having baked traditional macaroni and cheese. So I've got my water that's going to be boiling soon, and I'll add my pasta to it. In another pan, I'm going to take my onion, saute that in our pesto olive oil. When that's been translucent, I'll add some flour. I'll stir in, make a roux with a whisk, and then after about 2 or 3 minutes of that, then I'll add in my chicken stock. I've got some of our Worcestershire sauce, as well as some cream and some Dijon mustard. And then after that, we'll combine it with the pasta. We'll put it in a pan, we'll put some panko on top, and we'll bake it. When you're done cutting up your veggies, don't throw the ends of your onions or your celery or carrots, other things away. Just put them in a Ziploc bag, and you can keep adding it in the freezer. And then when your bag gets full, you can make your own homemade vegetable stock. All right, now that my butter is melted, I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons approximately of flour. Add a little bit more. And then I'm just going to continue stirring this till all the, I don't know how you describe it, the pasty taste of flour gets out, which is a very important step. Otherwise, sometimes it tastes kind of, like, I don't know, dry pie crust. It's because the flour didn't cook out enough. All right, so now that the flour has cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes, and yes, I did add my onions in, forgot that. I'm gonna add some chicken stock and just slowly pour that in. And as I do, it's gonna incorporate the flour and start to get nice and thick. All right, so my pasta is done. We're gonna drain that out. As that continues to drain, I am going to turn off the heat and add my cheese to my mixture. So I did add some celery because I like a little bit of just crunch in there. So we're just going to keep stirring this till it gets all melted. My husband likes it, so I'm going to add a little bit of chipotle oil to it. So you can tell it's ready when all the little pieces of shredded cheese are all melted together and it kind of has a shimmer to it. Not quite there yet because you can see the little individual pieces yet. So you can see this cheese sauce is all nice and smooth, and you want to choose a pasta that has a lot of ridges and sides and pieces because that's going to help the cheese to stick to it. So we're going to just stir all this together. It's coated really well. These are a lot of fun shapes. So I'm going to give it another splash of chipotle, some salt and pepper, and then I'm just going to make a crispy crunch crust. So it calls for saltine crackers in the recipe, but I don't have any, but I do have panko crumbs. So we're going to add that to some butter. And then we're going to add some pesto olive oil. I'm going to stir this together. And then we're going to sprinkle this on top. And now we'll bake it in the oven for about 40 minutes till it just gets all crispy and gooey together. And here we are, all bubbly and cheesy, just pulled out of the oven, and we'll have that with a salad for dinner tonight.